Are you looking to maximize your earning potential and take your career to new heights? Perhaps you're considering a significant career change or even an exciting move abroad. This video is your ultimate guide to finding the best financial opportunities globally. We're counting down the top 10 countries where you can earn the most money in 2024. We'll explore average salaries, delve into the cost of living, and highlight key job opportunities. Get ready to discover booming tech hubs, thriving financial centers, and incredible prospects for skilled professionals worldwide. Before we dive into the countdown, let's clarify how we compiled our list. Our data is sourced from reputable organizations like the World Bank, OECD, and Numbeo, ensuring a comprehensive and reliable overview. We've considered several crucial factors to give you the most accurate picture. These factors include average annual salaries, the cost of living to assess true purchasing power, the strength of the job market, and prevailing tax rates. It's important to remember that these figures represent averages. Your actual earning potential will always depend on your specific skills, experience, and industry. Economic conditions and tax policies are dynamic and can change. We strongly advise conducting your own thorough research tailored to your individual circumstances. This information is a starting point for your exciting journey. Starting our countdown at number 10 is the Netherlands, a vibrant European hub known for its innovation and high quality of life. This country boasts a robust economy and a welcoming international environment. The average annual salary here is approximately $60,000 to $70,000. Key industries include technology, logistics, and agriculture, all offering competitive compensation. While the cost of living is moderate, particularly in major cities, the strong salaries ensure excellent purchasing power. The job market is strong, especially for skilled professionals in IT and engineering. Potential challenges include finding affordable housing in popular areas and navigating the competitive job landscape. A quick tip: networking is crucial in the Netherlands, and many companies value English proficiency. Next up at number 9, we travel to the bustling city-state of Singapore, a global financial and technological powerhouse in Southeast Asia. Its strategic location and pro-business policies attract top talent. Average annual salaries typically range from $70,000 to $80,000. Finance, biotechnology, and advanced manufacturing are leading sectors offering high-paying roles. The cost of living is high, especially for housing, but salaries are adjusted to reflect this. Singapore's job market is highly competitive but offers immense opportunities for skilled professionals. Potential challenges include the high cost of living and strict immigration policies. A quick tip: focus on niche skills in high-demand industries to stand out. At number 8, we find Ireland, a dynamic European nation with a rapidly growing economy. It's a popular destination for multinational corporations, particularly in tech and pharmaceuticals. The average annual salary in Ireland is around $75,000 to $85,000. Key industries include information technology, pharmaceuticals, and financial services. The cost of living is moderate to high, especially in Dublin, but salaries generally keep pace. The job market is robust, driven by foreign direct investment and a young, educated workforce. Potential challenges include a competitive housing market and the need for specific visa requirements. A quick tip: leverage your experience in tech or pharma for the best opportunities. Coming in at number 7 is Australia, a vast and diverse country offering high wages and an enviable lifestyle. Its strong economy is supported by natural resources and a growing service sector. Average annual salaries typically fall between $80,000 and $90,000. Mining, healthcare, and professional services are among the highest-paying industries. The cost of living can be high in major cities, but the quality of life is exceptional. Australia's job market is strong, particularly for skilled migrants in healthcare and engineering. Potential challenges include the high cost of living in capital cities and the visa application process. A quick tip: research regional opportunities, which often have lower living costs. Our number 6 spot takes us to the unique island nation of Iceland, known for its stunning landscapes and high standard of living. Despite its small population, Iceland offers impressive earning potential. The average annual salary here is approximately $85,000 to $95,000. Key industries include tourism, fisheries, and renewable energy. The cost of living is high, reflecting the country's remote location and import reliance. The job market is stable, with opportunities in specialized fields and a need for skilled labor. Potential challenges include the high cost of living and the need to learn Icelandic for many roles. A quick tip: explore opportunities in renewable energy or specialized tourism. At number 5, we have Denmark, a Scandinavian country consistently ranked among the happiest nations. It combines high salaries with excellent social welfare and work-life balance. Average annual salaries typically range from $90,000 to $100,000. Key industries include pharmaceuticals, renewable energy, and IT. The cost of living is high, but residents benefit from extensive public services and a strong social safety net. Denmark's job market is strong for highly skilled professionals, especially in engineering and IT. Potential challenges include high taxes and the need to adapt to Danish workplace culture. A quick tip: highlight your innovation and problem-solving skills in applications. Taking the number 4 spot is the United States, a global economic superpower with diverse industries and vast opportunities. Its innovation hubs attract talent from around the world. Average annual salaries can vary widely but often range from $95,000 to $110,000. Technology, finance, and healthcare are consistently high-paying sectors. The cost of living varies significantly by region, from very high in major cities to moderate in others. The U.S. job market is dynamic and highly competitive, offering immense growth potential for skilled individuals. Potential challenges include complex immigration laws and the high cost of healthcare. A quick tip: target specific tech or financial hubs for the highest salaries. Entering our top 3 at number 3 is Norway, another prosperous Scandinavian nation known for its oil wealth and high quality of life. It offers excellent salaries and a strong social system. The average annual salary in Norway is approximately $100,000 to $115,000. Key industries include oil and gas, maritime, and aquaculture. The cost of living is high, but the high salaries ensure a comfortable lifestyle. Norway's job market is stable, with demand for skilled workers in engineering and energy sectors. Potential challenges include the high cost of living and the need to learn Norwegian for many roles. A quick tip: specialized skills in energy or maritime industries are highly valued. Our runner-up at number 2 is Luxembourg, a small but incredibly wealthy European country. It's a major financial center with a highly international workforce. Average annual salaries typically range from $110,000 to $125,000. Finance, IT, and logistics are the dominant high-paying industries. The cost of living is high, especially for housing, but salaries are among the highest globally. Luxembourg's job market is robust, particularly for professionals in finance and technology. Potential challenges include the high cost of living and intense competition for top roles. A quick tip: multilingualism is a significant advantage in this international hub. And finally, taking the top spot as the country where you can earn the most money in 2024 is Switzerland. Renowned for its stunning landscapes, high quality of life, and exceptional salaries, it truly stands out. The average annual salary in Switzerland is approximately $120,000 to $140,000. Key industries include pharmaceuticals, finance, and precision manufacturing. While the cost of living is very high, the unparalleled salaries provide excellent purchasing power. Switzerland's job market is strong for highly skilled professionals, particularly in specialized fields. Potential challenges include the very high cost of living and strict immigration policies. A quick tip: focus on high-demand sectors and be prepared for a competitive application process. While these countries didn't make our top 10, they still offer excellent earning potential and are worth considering. Germany, for instance, boasts a strong economy and a thriving engineering sector. Canada provides a high quality of life and growing opportunities, especially in tech. The United Kingdom, particularly London, remains a global financial hub with competitive salaries in many sectors. Each of these nations presents unique advantages for professionals seeking new horizons. There you have it, our countdown of the top 10 countries where you can earn the most money in 2024. From the financial powerhouses of Switzerland and Luxembourg to the innovative hubs of the United States and Singapore, opportunities abound for those willing to seek them. Remember, thorough research, continuous skill development, and adaptability are your greatest assets in this global job market. Which country caught your eye the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more career insights. You'll find additional resources and links in the description to help you on your journey.